During the 2017 flooding, the St. Vrain Creek came out of its banks, releasing about 12,000 CFS of water, which is about 10 times as much water as was normally seen. So following that disaster and that major damage, what they wanted to do is they wanted to increase the resiliency of it so that it wouldn't fail again, but they also wanted to make sure that it blended in with the natural environment. It's been successful. We've had multiple agencies look at it. They even wanted to use it as kind of a model program for different aspects of trying to increase fish habitat, stream restoration. At times when push came to shove and we had to make hard decisions, we were worried how people would take it, and everybody's really loved it, and to hear all the positive feedback just makes me feel good.